What is up, guys? Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products to Gumroad. So first, you need to head over to the Gumroad's website, and then you need to log in with your Gumroad account. And after that, on the left side, you can see this product section. Click on this, and after clicking on product section, here you can see I have already added a product. So if I want to add a new product, I'll just simply click on this new product here on the right side. And after that, I need to give the name of the product and I need to choose the type of product, whether it is a digital product, a course or tutorial, an ebook, a bundle, or a membership. Let's say I'll choose ebook, and after that, which section it comes under services like the commission one, the call, or the cafe. Let's say I'll select commission, and then we need to set the price of our product, and you can change the currency by just clicking here, and then here you can see there are multiple currencies to choose from. You can choose the currency that you want to set the price in, and after that, when you are done, click on next to customize, and after that you will see the description section. So you just simply need to add the description of your product, whatever you want to add. You can click on this insert button, and then when you click on button you can add a new button, or if you want to add a Twitter post, you can click on Twitter post and add an external Twitter post. And if you want to add the upsell and review buttons, you can also insert them. If you want to insert any audio, you can click on this insert audio button and then insert the audio. And from here, you can insert the video, you can insert the image from here, and then you can insert a custom link, external link from here. And if you want to quote some line, you can simply click on this quote button and then write that quoted line. And if you want to strike through, underline, italic, or bold something, you can do that too. And when you click on this text, you can also choose the header, the subtitle, bulleted and numbered list, or you can also enter a code block. And after that, when you are done, here you will see your custom URL for that particular product. Click on this copy URL to copy your URL and send to the members that want you want them to see your product. And if you have a cover photo or cover video, you can just click on upload images or video, and then you can add the cover photo. Let's say I will click on this cover photo, and if you have the photo or video in the link form, you can click on external link, or if you have it on your computer files, click on this computer files, and after that just simply import that particular cover photo. As you can see, I have imported my cover photo. This is my cover photo. And when I scroll a bit down, uh, here I want to give the product info, like what button should I use? I want this, buy this, or pay. I'll choose I want this, and you need to write the summary of your product. As you can see, I have added my summary, and if you have any additional details, you can click on add details and then add your additional details. And here are the integrations, like you want to invite your customers to your Gumroad community chat, you can invite your customers to your Circle community, invite your customers to a Discord server. If you want any of these, just simply turn these toggles on. And after that, you just need to recheck your pricing, and uh, you can also allow customers to pay what they want, and after that you can offer different versions if you have it. And here are some of the more settings, so you can just pause and see them, and then while you are uploading your own product, you can just turn on and off these toggles according to your vision requirement. And then if you have your own custom domain, you can add it here too. And when you are done, simply click on save and continue here on the right side. And then this is the content part. From here, you need to add another page if you want, or if you want to enter the content, you can enter it here, and then you can just simply describe what you sell, or you can just describe via inserting any files or links. And when you are done, click on save changes, and after that, click on publish and continue. Now, this is the final page to share your digital product by just copying a URL, creating a gum, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, and this is the profile. So when you're done, click on save changes, and then your changes will be saved and your product will be uploaded live. This is how you can add products to Gumroad. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.